Hello all, in this video let's take a look at how we can find the second largest number in a given list. For example, let's say if we have a list of 1, 20, 25, 25, so it has to find the second largest number. For example, the largest number over here is 25. It has to find the second largest number, which is 20. So let's see how we can do this one. So let's jump into the Colab nodes over here and let's take a new cell. Let's take one list. For example, let's say in my list I have values 5, 1, 2, let's take some random numbers 7, 9, 5. Okay, and now what we can do to find out, now there are duplicate values. Okay, let's forget about the duplicate values. So we can do mylist dot, let's sort it out. Sort. Once we sort this one, so what will happen, let's do this one. Okay, mylist. So now we have sorted out the order 1, 2, 3, and it is sorted out. And if I say, like, I would like to have the second largest one, so here the second largest one is 7, right? And it's not that easy to find the second largest number without removing the duplicates. So the same one, what I'm going to do over here, so right before this one, I'm going to convert this as a set of my list, right? So here by using set, I have removed the duplicates, and then again I'm converting it as a list. So now you can see this one. And after that, so let's say this is like list, right? Now this is the list. Now what I'm planning to do over here is that list dot, let's sort it out, but in a reverse way. Reverse is equal to true. Let's see. Okay, now I have reversed this one, and to find the second largest element, now it's very easy. It's the first element. So list of 1, it gives us 7. So 7 is the second largest element over here. Let's see how we can write the same using the functions. Define say second largest. Okay, let's say list. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna convert it as a set first. So set of list, and then let's convert this as a list again. Okay, and let's call this as unique numbers, right? Now whatever the list we are providing here, we have removed the duplicates and we are assigning that, we are renaming it as unique numbers. For example, let's assume in your set you have only 2 elements. So in this case, this is fine, but let's assume you have only one element. Whenever you have only one element, actually you can't predict like what is second largest one, right? So for that one, I'm going to write if length of unique numbers is less than 2, then I don't want to return anything. Okay, and now let's remove this one. So unique numbers dot sort reverse is equal to true. This is like done, we have reversed, and unique numbers of 1, and I would like to return this one. Okay, now second largest, I'm calling this function and I'm passing the same list over here. So it has to predict the output as 7. Let's see, there it go. So this is how quickly we can find the second largest number in a given list. Thank you for watching this video.